With how many takeovers there are, all the OG meets are getting shut down, so new pop-up meets hosted by brand new young enthusiasts in the car community are becoming the thing. Here are 25 noobs you'll find at car meets. Locally hated. Bro, I don't even know you. Nardo Gray. Bro, it's so exotic, bro. Nardo Gray, it's an off-white. Totally doesn't look like normal gray. Totally still called Nardo, even though 10 billion auto manufacturers have repped this color at this point, but let's be real, making wet primer isn't hard to rep. Nardo Gray, bro. Lying about their top speed. Bro, I regularly go 160 in my Civic on 285. I can easily outrun the cops when I go 200. I beat Hellcats all the time. It's all about driver skill, he says in his CVT Civic. Damn, bro, so much skill needed to drive in a straight line on a front-wheel drive car that doesn't even need to shift. Also, I hate that some actual subscribers had to witness this actually happen on Barrett Parkway, as I had to talk to a bone stock base model Civic, actually unironically thinking that he can gap all the muscle cars there just because he went 100 once. Adding lights in your engine bay does not create horsepower. When I finally called him on his bullcrap, he literally finally said, oh, actually my speedometer doesn't work, I don't know how fast I'm going, but I think I'm going faster than a Hellcat. You sure thinking high. Anyways, real life does not work like Forza or Gran Turismo in the sense that you don't just take a slider and go left and right and then boom, your top speed magically changes. Most cars have final drives, gear ratios, ECUs, electronic limiters, and you usually need tuner devices and sometimes major transmission updates to even increase your vehicle's top speed. So going up to 200 to outrun cops in a base model Civic just isn't going to happen. Bro, I own a modded R32. Oh yo, that's cool, let me see it. Motherfuck! My rusted chassis not running missing wheels JDM car is worth 50 grand. You just don't understand the market. Or, dude, the newest insert whatever car is totally worth that 200% markup. You just don't understand the market. If understanding the market means being absolutely stupid enough to get bum rushed by banks, then I'll gladly say I'm ignorant to the market, because why would I spend 200 grand markup on a C8 Z06 when literally anything else for that money is a better purchase? I ain't going to a supermarket just to take something off the shelf that says $3 only to have it ring up at the cash register to say like $10. Hell nah, back to the shelf that MF goes. Just because you have the money to do it doesn't mean that you don't feel stupid when you get it done to you. Lying businesses with scummy business practices don't deserve your cash. Like I said, the supermarket example, $3 and $10, both of them aren't super expensive, right? But you deserve better. You should know better. Don't let them take advantage of you. My car is super rare, bro. Alright, so here I'm not even gonna rip Corvette boomers like I usually do, because there are a lot of y'all young folk who pull this line on very obviously high production vehicles that literally don't have any special trims. Like, I've seen people with non-TRD Toyota Camry XSEs tell me that it's a one-of-one vehicle because of its interior trim and color and whatever. Like, holy crap. V6 Camrys are cool. That's not the point I'm making. The point I'm making is that it's not special though. Just stop. Stop it. Get some help. Battle arrow, bro. I don't battle anyone in time attack, but trust me, I need this much arrow on the street. I scrape up the Waffle House driveway each time I go in at 2 AM. Gotta let all the drunk high schoolers know who's Lolo. Why build when I can copy? Yo, bro, I like your build, man. Post it up, bro. Post up the deets. I wanna know where you got them parts. I like it. I love it. I want it. I need it. In fact, I wanna be it. Look, alright, if I have to see another wide body Hyundai Veloster with the exact same body kit, wing, exhaust, wheels, tires, whatever, like dang, look, what's the point of customization? What's the point of builds if you're just not gonna make it your own and straight up copy someone else's build? And I feel bad for the people who originated or started a certain build type and everyone's just straight up copying them. Like, not even like getting parts similar to it, but like the exact parts as them. And then when you go to car meets, you just see literally Control-C, Control-V vehicles next to each other, and it's just, oh, that must hurt for the people who originally got creative. These days, you gotta go bespoke if you don't want someone taking what you have. Why are people rear-ending me, bro? Yo, I tinted my taillights because they look aggressive. I was too lazy to actually buy tint or change the housing, so I straight up used opaque material, so they don't even let any light through. Man, this city sure has bad drivers, or maybe I just have bad luck. I'm getting rear-ended like every month, it seems. By the way, opaque means not transparent for the brain dead balmongs with negative 30 IQ who are about to comment. I see you guys trying to comment. Scroll up. Yeah, you. Clear taillight gang, infinitely superior to tinting taillights. The absolute Chad move to do. Already have a good future ahead of you. Great mod, boom, way more effort to accomplish, but worth the look.
Matte finish. Aggressive.
Aggressive, so aggressive. Choose a matte finish, so edgy, aggressive.
Matte, ladies and gentlemen. Matte finish.
If I have to hear another rap shop tell me this, and I've ranted about this before, but look, it looks like your car hasn't been unlocked in Need for Speed. It's not aggressive. If you like the way it looks, more power to you, but stop trying to market a lack of reflection as aggressive. Wow, look how dark it makes your car look. Like, look, add some satin to it, because I'll be honest with you, most of these look like rattle can jobs. If I'm spending that much on a wrap, I want something that's actually feels like I spent that much money. If I wanted my car to look like this, I would have classy dipped it a long time ago. Trunk sale. Rear trunk or hatch popped open at the meet. Has a bunch of rusty car parts in it. No cards with prices written down, and if a part says DM for price and has their phone number on it, there's a 90% chance that when you call later, they're gonna try to sell you coke instead. Runs like a dream, as in it doesn't run at all, which, to be fair, that they're not wrong, because dreams aren't real and any movement in dreams usually is an actual movement, so at least they're not lying to you. Sad boys. Happy boys. Car debt troubling you, unexpected life circumstances getting to you, depression kicking in hard, not valuing life much, but also no longer fearful of death. Well, no worries. Sell your car and just buy motorcycle instead. Fun fact, no seriously, this is an actual fact. Motorcyclists are less likely to be depressed, and they also show symptoms of much longer lasting happiness. Like, it's not just spontaneous short term. There are actual studies that confirm this, and I know someone's gonna comment, but belated, it's more dangerous to ride. Why do you think I'm marketing this to sad boys? Because if they already don't value their lives, telling them something that's more dangerous than what they're currently doing probably won't faze them. And to be fair, 3 billion people around the world do it. Like, there's a grandma in Thailand right now as they're watching this video with her entire family on the back and probably like 3 suitcases as well, and she ain't scared, so you ain't gotta be scared. Chrome wheels, chrome accents, chrome vents, chrome taillights, chrome bezels, chrome exhaust, chrome A-pillars, chrome louvers, chrome door handles. Oh god, do they actually make this many chrome parts these days? Like, look, if you have a period correct car, that's fine. You're putting all these on a modern car, like, whatever. Up and coming. Bro, give me a follow. Bro, I'm up and coming. Bro, take this card, take my contact info. You're gonna need it when I'm famous. You're gonna regret it, because I'm up and coming. You're gonna regret not knowing me, man. You're gonna regret ignoring me right now. Why walking away, bro? I got 30 followers right now. You could be my 31st, but I'm gonna make it big, and you're gonna regret it. I'm about to get 1,000 by the end of the year. You're gonna wish you knew me. I'll have the world in my hands in 5 years, bro. I'm up and coming, bro. Like, look, if you don't even tell me what you even do, man, what do you do? Like, bro, what do you even do? If I ain't getting an answer, then I ain't following you. Mini motos. Grom, Z125, Vader, Cub, Super Cub, Trail Cub, Monkey, car meet. Nah, everything's a bike meet when you're on a mini moto. Even a freaking Vespa counts. The world is your oyster when you're on a sub 150cc mini moto. Sidewalks, streets, bike lanes, skate parks, car meets, bike nights. It's not going to matter. Mini motos are gonna be there, except the highway, because RIP 65-mile top speed, and also a lot of locations ban 150cc and below from even using the freeway. Anyways, mini moto noobs are the best noobs. Usually it's their first bike ever, and they're well aware that it's nothing fast, so instead of trying to race people, they're just there to make memories that'll last. COVID-02, COIVID 19, more like COIVD 02. I'm trying so hard to make YT's Algae of Rhythm, not to I can't, I'm just gonna write the word on screen instead. Look, it takes zero thought to put zero tater tot minus tater add H after the first T on your car. At least mainstream shows like Dragon Ball have different characters. How y'all watching Darling in the Franxx and you're gonna pick the same girl? You know there's other waifus in that show. Okay, who am I kidding? The other girls in that show were so bad they don't even qualify as waifus. Anyways, in fact, did y'all even watch Darling in the Franxx, or did you just pick her because of the Kardashian tweet, or because she makes your pee-pee hard? Putting slaps in your car and acting like you're Natasha now? Hell nah. Trying to usurp the good faith that is the impenetrable fortress of the American Atasha, a community. Actually, you know what? I take that back. It looks like the fortress was penetrated. Now it's burning. Now everyone is turning on each other. You know what? Letting Americans get hold of Atasha culture was a mistake. Heck, letting Americans get hold of anime was a mistake. Heck, anime in general was a mistake. And I'm also a mistake. Also, this joke could have been way better, but unfortunately I had to write it in such a fashion where the Algae of Rhythm would not pick it up. By the way, if you don't know why I'm saying that, did you know saying the Algae of Rhythm in its actual form also gets videos soft shadow banned because YT cannot take criticism, and usually mentioning the Algae of Rhythm involves criticism and they don't want to hear criticism. Wow, great. Stellar. Next entry. Lying crypto kid with daddy's money. Bro, how did you get a C8 at 16? Instead of just omitting it, they usually tell you, yo, bro, here's my whole crypto portfolio. And then each sentence that you let that kid go on, they're basically just digging their own grave and further burying themselves in stupidity. Because to anyone who actually studies crypto, even just a little bit, you can tell everything they say is total BS. Like, dude, it's daddy's money. We get it. Just say it. Like, just be honest. You'd be shocked how little comebacks people can say because you're still sitting in a Ferrari, right? And when you don't give them any ammunition to fire back at you and just be honest, it makes it even more difficult for them to criticize you without coming off as a jealous snob. So you can actually win those interactions by just being honest. 22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling I hate how for the rest of my life when I hear the phrase, I don't know about you, I now automatically finish it with the rest of Taylor Swift's song. And the number 22 also causes the same exact effect. What are we even talking about at this point? This video is just totally derailing. Half of these entries hardly even belong in this video. You know how hard it is to find 25 things to talk about? Why did YouTube have to make my 25 series trend? That means the good old Algae of Rhythm now looks for this stuff to recommend. BOFA. BOFA? Yeah, as in hold BOFA DEEZ nuts. Got 'em. Boba. Boba? Yeah, as in... There's no punchline here, actually. In fact, this does relate to the video. So why is it that literally 50% of new noob-hosted car meets these days actually take place in front of a Boba store? The good news is this has drastically increased the female to male ratio. Honestly, I'm not complaining. I like Boba, and I think Boba's stores have good vibes, and most of them these days usually have good security since rich Asians who run those stores usually hate commotion. Because you two-step once on their property, you're Thanos snapped off from ever coming back. These are probably the only sustainable way of running a car meet these days. The next generation of motorcyclists are about to be called Boba racers instead of cafe racers at the rate we're going at. Number 25, the final entry in this video. You ready for this? I've got absolutely nothing for you, in fact. Anyways, that's gonna be 25 noobs you'll meet at whatever the title of the video is again. I don't care. Did I cheat by adding a few unrelated miscellaneous entries? Absolutely. Do I care? Not at all. I had fun, and if you had fun watching, then that's what counts. So make sure to subscribe for more stupid automotive content. Like this video if you got a good laugh from it, and share it to your friends, because trust me, I think they'll like it too. Unless you don't have friends, then I don't know, play this video again in front of your cat or something. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Blade Angel out.